In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Notion workspace for your software engineering work. We're going to set up a clean, practical workspace that helps you organize projects, track tasks, save technical knowledge, and manage your development workflow in one place. The goal here is to build a system that feels simple enough to maintain, but structured enough to support real engineering work over time. Start by creating a dedicated Notion workspace for your software engineering activities. This gives you a central environment where everything related to development can live together instead of being scattered across different notes and tools. Keeping your engineering work in one workspace makes it much easier to stay focused and quickly find what you need later. Next, add a main dashboard. Think of this as your home base. This dashboard should give you quick access to your projects, tasks, notes, and documentation. A good dashboard reduces friction because you are not digging through pages every time you want to update something. Try to make it clear and uncluttered so the most important areas are easy to reach. After that, create a project database for the apps, features, or coding work you're handling. This database will act as your project hub, where each entry represents a specific piece of work. It's especially useful if you're managing multiple builds, feature rollouts, or ongoing development efforts at the same time. Once your project database is in place, add properties such as status, priority, due date, and owner. These properties turn a basic list into a working system. Status helps you see what's planned, in progress, or completed. Priority makes it easier to focus on what matters most. Due dates help with scheduling, and owner is useful for accountability, even if you're working alone and just want clear responsibility across different tasks. Next, create a bug tracker for issues and fixes. This gives you a separate place to capture problems, log details, and monitor resolutions without mixing bugs into your general project list. Keeping bugs organized helps you avoid losing track of recurring issues or unfinished fixes. Then add a code snippets page for reusable commands or examples. This is a great place to save useful queries, terminal commands, setup steps, or small pieces of code you reach for often. Over time, this can become one of the most valuable parts of your workspace because it saves repeated effort. You should also store technical notes, API references, and documentation links in your workspace. Having these resources nearby means less context switching and faster troubleshooting when you're deep in development work. Finally, review your dashboard regularly to manage your workflow. A system only works if you keep it current, so make a habit of checking in, updating progress, and refining the workspace as your engineering needs evolve.